In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Shopify. This straightforward process should only take about 5 minutes, so you'll be up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. This is your starting point for integrating Stripe, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials to access your store's dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. You can typically find this on the left-hand side of your Shopify admin panel. Clicking on settings will take you to a page where you can adjust different aspects of your store's setup. Next, from the settings menu, go ahead and click on the payments option. This is the area where you'll be managing all your payment methods. It's essential to know your way around here, as optimizing your payment settings can significantly enhance your customers' purchasing experience. When you're in the payment section, you'll see a button titled Choose a Provider. Click on that and you'll be given a list of available payment providers that you can integrate with Shopify. This list includes many popular services, but for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on Stripe. Select Stripe from the list of providers. This will lead you to a login page where you'll need to enter your Stripe email. Ensure that the email you input is the one associated with your Stripe account, as this is crucial for linking it correctly to your Shopify store. After entering your email, proceed to click on the Connect button. This action will enable Shopify to start the integration process with Stripe. Once you've clicked Connect, you'll need to follow the steps provided by Stripe to verify and complete the connection of your account. During this step, Stripe might ask for additional information to verify your details, so make sure you have any necessary documents or information handy. This part is important for maintaining the security and integrity of your transactions, so follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth integration. After completing all verification steps, your Stripe account should now be successfully connected to Shopify. This means your Shopify store can now accept payments through Stripe, providing a seamless and secure checkout experience for your customers. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to connect Stripe with your Shopify store in just a few minutes. Remember, having a robust payment system in place is critical